Greetings, comrades. This is Nothing But Caleb, back with a quick unboxing video. I got a smaller package today. Well, I wouldn't say smaller, but you know, it's nothing super significant. You're probably wondering why I have my Steam Deck, power bank, and a few controllers on here. Well, it's because, well, I decided to get another Steam Deck carrying case. This one's a bit bigger than my JSOL one, because, well, the JSOL one that I showed off a while back, it can carry a power bank. It can't hold a full-size controller like this Moga here, which I'm going to review this sometime next week. Even in the portable mode, it won't fit in that little compartment underneath, so I figured I'd get something a little bit bigger, and I think this ought to do it. I'll show it right side up so you can see it is. A Steam Deck accessory case from Mooroer. Some weird names for these Chinese companies. But yeah, anti-moisture, anti-dirt, anti-shock, scratch-proof, and portable. Yeah, if you have a Steam Deck carrying case that is not portable, then you kind of have a problem. But anyway, yeah, I mainly got a new Steam Deck carrying case because this one's a lot bigger. It'll hold the Steam Deck and of course the power bank, stuff like that, but it can also hold more stuff. There's this little compartment up here that can hold a few controllers and like a small Bluetooth keyboard and even a little mouse and stuff like that. And there are also compartments here you can carry a docking station, you know, the power brick and extra cables and stuff. So, you know, if I'm going to be taking my dad to symptom management like practically every other week now, I at least want something to, you know, keep me occupied, and, you know, that's why I bring the Steam Deck, and, you know, I have my games on it, and of course, well, comes with a power bank, and maybe a controller too. I'll probably just bring one controller, because it's just going to be me playing it. But, yeah, I wanted something to not only hold the Steam Deck and power, but also controller, which that JSOL case won't fit it, so, yeah. It might fit one of those smaller, like, 8-bit DO controllers, but, and I kind of grown partial to the Xbox controllers, but that's just me. And yeah, pretty much the same thing in the back. And, you know, so, okay, that's just something else. Yeah, of course it's made in China, you know, kind of figured that. They got 30, they're probably more like manufacturers of stuff in China than there are actual people in China. It's crazy. But anyway, here's the case itself. I think I'm holding, yeah, it's upside down. There's the, I like how it uses like a switch colors here, which I guess you can kind of put a switch in here, though it's going to be a lot more spacious since the Switch is a smaller console. But yeah, it has little loopholes on the side here, so you can use the included shoulder strap, and of course got a handle here. Which yeah, if you have a carrying case that doesn't have a handle, then that's kind of a problem. But anyway, let's go and open it up and see how it is. See how spacious it is. It was like $28 when I ordered it, so pretty good value there. And here we go. Look at all this space here. So there's this yeah, I have a little slot for SD cards and stuff. I have a okay, so this flap here, that this isn't a stand like on the JSOL, so I can't stand it up while playing, but fit the Steam Deck in there and protect the screen. It's real cool, and I guess I can put like a few small things in here. Here's that shoulder strap, which I'll take that out. Not sure how they'll hold up in the long run, but hey, see how that goes. And looks like I can fit the power bank there. Make sure, and might as well put one of these controllers in just to see how well it'll fit. All this, and of course, this zipper's not even properly. There you go. Yeah, not too many bells and whistles, just enough room to put your extra stuff in here. So, put a controller in here. I guess I can put the power bank in here. I think this is mainly for the docking station. I guess that's a power brick, which I'm not bringing any of those, said the management. But yeah, just close that up. And you can do that back a bit. And yeah. Well, this oh, I've got the Wearing the wrong zipper. Right there. Yeah, it got a little darker all of a sudden. Supposed to get some rain later. Okay, make sure. Here we go. There we go. Surprisingly not that heavy with all the stuff in there, so that's really nice. And yeah. Funny thing, I mainly got this controller, again, because of the portable aspect here, which I was hoping this would fit in that JSAW case, but even in this portable form, the joystick stuck out quite a bit, so I can't close it all the way, so I figured, you know what, just get another case of cheap. Yeah, $20, a little, not super expensive for a case, but you know, it's definitely up there. But you know, let you hold everything, because with those other two cases, the JSAW and the case that came with the Steam Deck, you can hold the Steam Deck and that's about a charging cable, that's about it. The JSAW is a little compartment below, you can put a power bank and a few cables and maybe a small controller, but if you're like me and you want to use a full-size controller or, you know, a sort of a hybrid controller like this one, still have your power bank and all that stuff. I'm sure you can just put that there. There we go. Okay, that's the, yeah, this sticks out a little bit, so it's, you kind of want to tuck that in before you grab the zipper. Otherwise you end up grabbing the wrong zipper and accidentally unzip the little compartment where you're holding your controller and stuff. So yeah, joy. Anyway, let's go and put these shoulder straps on. Or strap, I should say. Just one strap. There you go. Kind of free up my arm to hold something else. So I'm usually holding my dad's oxygen machine, and you know, sometimes there's a little carry bag where he keeps his med records and stuff like that. So for this, free up my arm for other things. So yeah, really good. But yeah, I have one more unboxing video next week, and I'm actually not going to buy any more PC components right now because I'm going to be focused on getting Christmas presents for everyone else. You know, I have 10 people to get you know, gift cards and stuff for, and you know, the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few, and I've gotten quite a bit of stuff already, so for now I'm good. Now I'm going to focus on, you know, getting gifts for everyone else in the family, because you know, just spend time with them, you know, while they're still around, especially my dad especially. But anyway, this is the Mooroer, I don't know how you pronounce that name. The Mooroer, let's just call it the Mooroer case. Yeah, it does the job, you know. Holds your Steam Deck, protects the screen, holds all your other stuff. And yeah, nice to have. So anyway, this is I'm Gonna Get Up signing out. Have a good day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.